Cardiff Castle is one of Wales' leading heritage attractions and a site of international significance. Located at the heart of the capital within beautiful parklands, the castle has nearly 2,000 years of history just waiting to be explored. For 25 years, the castle was home to the National College of Music and Drama, and since 1974 has become one of Wales' most popular visitor attractions. Cardiff Castle is right close to Cardiff Town Centre, so very easy to get to. The castle itself is a ruin but still very beautiful. Hugging the north coast of Wales, Conwy is a compelling choice for holidaymakers in UK. A closer proximity to Snowdonia National Park gives Conwy an advantage as a perfect base to explore the region. This famous fortress is exceptionally well preserved. It contains the most intact set of medieval royal apartments in Wales. The high curtain wall and 8 lofty towers rise almost as immensely as when these were built more than 700 years ago. Conwy Castle is a fortification in Conwy, located in North Wales. It was built by Edward I during his conquest of Wales between 1283 and 1287.